What's up, everybody? Justin here. The winds have changed. Been a long time since I made a video, so I'm just posting this one up. I think I might start getting back into putting them up there. I've been watching a lot of other guys on YouTube and stuff like that, talking about reselling and is it dead, and you have like your two separate ends, right? You have your one like it's dead, it's outdated, buy my product or do something else, or you have your two, which is like I'm driving a Ferrari after reselling for 6 months. So I'm just going to come how this channel's always been, is just sort of honest and in depth at times about what I do, what I think would benefit others. So I think I'm going to sort of kick it off with going to the Dollar Tree. I mean, I have my ideas about what reselling on Amazon, FBA, with Dollar Tree items is going to be like. I've done some of them before, but I've been interested watching some of these other videos on YouTube and some of these YouTubers and seeing what they're doing. So I just want to check it out. There's a lot of things that I think that they probably leave out. Like, for example, you may spend $1 on something and make two, but realistically, is that going to cover the fees that you need even at a baseline to run an Amazon FBA business? Can an entire business model be made off of Dollar Tree items, buying and reselling them? My initial thoughts are, one, that it's nice to be able to go to a Dollar Tree because there's like probably 30 of them in my town. Like, there's a bunch, and they all have different things. Every one of them has like something different. And then they have some of the same things. So that's first thought. It's availability, low entry level. The only thing cheaper I could think would be books. Going to book sales, getting books for a quarter, 50 cents. Dollar's pretty low to get in. And if you double your money, then that's pretty good, right? So if you say you start off with $100 and you double that, and that's 200, and then you double that 200 that you invest back, that's 400. You reinvest that, and then that's 800. Now I think the problem you're going to run into is that eventually, say you get to $1,000, are you going to be able to spend $1,000 on items that are going to double your money at a Dollar Tree? I don't know. I don't think so, but who knows? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it for a month. I'm going to record everything that I spend at the Dollar Tree, and I'll track down how many times I went. I'll get an approximate amount of time. I'll try to do that as well. But I'm going to track as many things as I can and see just how effective it's going to be. My thinking is that it's going to be a nice addition to an already established reselling business. So like if you're sending in a box to Amazon FBA of things you've sourced other places, you're going to be able to take some Dollar Tree items and sort of throw them in there and sprinkle them in, right? That's my guess of what's going to happen. But I'm going to do this for January and then post sort of like maybe some haul videos or something to track progress, but then also what I get at the end of the month, right? So I did go today and I got 44 items. Most of these were DVDs, and the DVDs I'm not too sure about. A lot of the barcodes didn't come up on Amazon, but when you search like the picture or the title, it comes up. So I'm not sure all the differences on there, but a lot of these I'm paying $1 for and selling them for $9. So I'm going to get back about $2.50 or something when it's all said and done. Some of them sell for $16, $17, but not many of them. And I picked a seller rank all below, I think, 40,000 for DVDs. So some of them are like 10,000, 3,000. Some of them are like 30,000. So I'll be interested to see what the turnover is on those. But I'm going to use Inventory Lab to track that, so it'll be pretty quick to track. I'll show you just a few things that I got. So one is just this video here, right? And it's just I've never heard of it. Evidently, it was popular back in the day. One of the things that I'm curious about is when you look up these on Amazon. So I don't know on this one specifically, but there'll be an MGM label up at the top cover. This one doesn't have an MGM picture, so I'm not sure what all that's about. I'm gonna look into that. What I don't want to do is get something that's not accurate and send that in. Picked up some Barbie clothes. I'm ungated in Barbie. I don't know if you will be or not. Paid $1. These sell for these actually are listed for 14, but they average about 9 according to Keepa. They had some other outfits that they were on like $5 on Amazon, so I left them. And then here's one of the oddest of all I'm interested in. These hefty styrofoam plates, 20 pack, cost $1. They're selling for like $9, between like $7 and $9 on Amazon, with the lowest being like 6 that they've been in the last 3 months. And people are buying them. So I don't know why people are spending $8, $7 on 20 styrofoam plates from Amazon, but I'm gonna send one in just to see what happens. So I went to 3 different Dollar Trees today. We were probably in there for about 20 minutes each, so maybe an hour altogether, and got these items. I'll come back with another video if I get time with what the profit's going to be on these, but I think I make about $2 each was about what I did, was my baseline. So there are some things that are over that, but so spend $1, get 3 back, so you profit 2. So $44, that's 44 items. So you take what, 44, so 45 times 2, $90. So maybe making $100 profit off these with a $44 investment. So if the turnaround is quick and you can reinvest, that might be something that could prove me wrong about how effective and it's going to be. So until then, just thanks for checking out the video. Try to keep you guys posted. Check back frequently, and I'm going to try to put up a video at least maybe 2 a month or something like that, but who knows, maybe I'll get the bug and do more. But that's my plan for right now, just to bring to you guys some Dollar Tree hustling to figure out, if it's worth it or not. And it'd be interesting for me just to find out. I'm curious, within a month, how much can you spend at the Dollar Tree doing it part-time, and then how much can you get back, right? Because realistically, I'm not doing this full-time, so maybe 10 times a month, maybe a couple times a week, I might go out to a few different Dollar Trees and see what's going on. So anyway, check back. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching this, and I'll catch you later.